Hello everyone, welcome to Zexus development. In this video, we are going to install a secret drug container into our FiveM server. So without any further ado, let's get to the installation process. So this is the container which you are going to install into FiveM server. I'll put the link in the description below. To download the container, you just need to scroll down over here. Then click on this TibX link. Then click over here and get the container into your CFX portal and download it. After downloading it, we just need to extract the file into our FiveM resource folder. So I'll be extracting it over here, just like this. So yes guys, that's it for the installation part. Now let's start the server. So we are in a server now, and this is the location of the first container over here. As you can see, this is the location in the map over here. So let's get inside the container. So this is the entrance of the container over here. There are lots of illegal weed has planted over here. And this is a processing table over here, as you can see. And these are the packaging. So let's go to the second drug container. You can get the coordinates of the container from here, as you can see. So now let's copy the second coordinate. And this is the second container over here. Now let's go to the third one. So this is the third and the final container. So yes guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos related to FiveM development. Goodbye.